Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this looks like a big WXY, and I do still think it is going to go up on the monthly eventually, and most likely take out these highs. 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, should be 3 waves up for the wave Y. And I still think it probably will end up taking out these highs and up to one of these higher Fibonacci extensions before it actually does end up continuing back down. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I thought it was already going up, but I think it's pretty obvious now that it's not. I still think that this move up is a trend for the A. I still think this is a WXY correction for the wave B. I still think this is a 1 of C. I still think that we're in a wave 2 of C. But instead of the wave 2 being over, I actually think it probably is going to go down more. Probably at this point all the way to the 78.6 before it goes up and makes that big wave 3, big wave 4, and big wave 5 of wave C, which should be a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it does look like a downtrend, which I have seen for quite a while now, and it definitely looks like 3 waves up. Now we do have interest rate coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, but I mean at this point it really looks like this is a wave A, looks like this is a wave B. I think it's more likely at this point it is going to go down to the 78.6 to make a wave C, probably still a wave 1 here, probably still a wave 2, and it probably is still going to go up for a wave 3. But for now, I think that we definitely need to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, price is closing below the 78%, and on the higher time frames, I think we have to admit that this is a wave C of wave B. If that's the case, then yeah, maybe we will get a pullback, but I think at this point, it is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs on these sort of time frames. Looking at the dollar index especially, and all the dollar pairs, I think that there is a very good likelihood that it is just going to keep on trending down. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we may end up getting a pullback, which honestly at this point is really good news for us because at the end of this pullback, we should be able to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. It will be interesting to see what tomorrow's news does to the US dollar pairs. I mean, there's always a chance that we could get like a big break of structure to the upside and it just keeps on trending up. But until the higher time frames like the 4 hour and daily and up tell me that this is back into an uptrend, which apparently it has not done so yet, I think we need to continue to look for shorts, and that probably is going to be our best bet for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to take a look at my new website, linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.